Hey guys, I am super excited to share this luggage scale with you that the brand sent over to me. If you are one of those people that's a little panicked before you have to go to the airport because you don't know if your luggage is going to be overweight, this is for you. So let me show you close up. I love the fact that you do not have to worry about ever having it charged or even having batteries in it. This is an amazing feature, so let me show you up close. If you look right here on the side of the product, you simply, if you see there's no power on it right now, I'm going to push this, it says 4 to 5 times, and that's going to generate enough power for you to weigh your luggage. Is that not amazing? You don't have to worry about batteries or having it charged. That's amazing technology. So what you're going to do, you are simply going to take the strap, loop it on the handle, and then here at the top, you're going to just simply hang it like that, and then I am going to lift up. Oh my goodness. Luckily for me, my bag did pass. It came in at 42 pounds. And then I also want to show you, you can weigh in both pounds and kilograms. So super easy to use, convenient. I also love the fact that it's so portable and lightweight. You need to take this on the trip with you, because if you're purchasing things like you're on vacation and you're worried about whether or not you're going to be able to take your bag back on the flight and not have to pay extra because it now weighs too much, no worries. This easily fits in your suitcase. Take it with you. If you are looking for a luggage scale, this is definitely one to check out.